accent so you can speak more clearly, specifically focusing on words ending with a letter B. In this lesson, we're going to do some English pronunciation training so that you can pronounce words clearly, reduce your accent to speak more confidently in English. Now, if this is the first time you're here on my YouTube channel, welcome. My name's Adriana from EnglishTeacherAdriana.com. I help English learners improve their English, boost their confidence to finally speak English confidently. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications so that you know you get that bell when I post my next video lesson here to help you improve your confidence speaking in English. Now guys, in this English pronunciation training, we'll be focusing on words ending in B. For example, words such as lab, rib, and rub. Now, this can be tricky, but we're not going to go through a lot of theory. Instead, we're going to be doing a lot of practice and shadowing. While you're watching this video lesson, I suggest that you copy, shadow, imitate me. Copy how I say these words, how I say these sentences, so that you are training your mouth to produce these sounds so that you can speak more clearly when you do have conversations in English. Go and find yourself a quiet spot and let's begin with the first word. 1, crab. Crab. Really emphasize the ending here. Crab. Crab. For example, do you have a crab? Do you have a crab? Crab. Crab. Not soft, not p. Crab. 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 Do you have a crab? Do you have a crab? 2, cub. Cub. Again, hard at the end. Cub. Cub. For example, oh, that cub is so cute. Oh, that cub. Cub. Oh, that cub is so cute. Oh, that cub is so cute. Cub. Cub. 3, web. 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 For example, look at the spider's web. Look at the spider's web. Web. Look at the spider's web. Web. 4, crib. 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 For example, let's go and buy a crib. Let's go and buy a crib. Crib. So the air's going out. Crib. 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 5, ice cube. Ice cube. Ice cube. Ice cube. For example, can I have an ice cube in my water? Can I have an ice cube in my water? Ice cube. Ice cube. Ice cube. 6, job. 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 For example, do you have a job? Do you have a job? Job. Job. Do you have a job? 7, doorknob. 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 Knob. Knob. Doorknob. For example, the doorknob is dirty. The doorknob is dirty. The doorknob is dirty. Doorknob. Doorknob. 8, bib. 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 Okay, 2 B's here. Bib. Bib. For example, can you pass me the baby's bib? Can you pass me the baby's bib? Bib. Bib. 9, club. 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 For example, do you want to go to the tennis club? Do you want to go to the tennis club? Club. Tennis club. Club. Do you want to go to the tennis club? 10, grab. 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 For example, grab that bag for me. Grab that bag for me. Grab that bag for me. Grab. Grab. 11, lab. 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 For example, where is the science lab? Where is the science lab? Lab. Lab. 12, rib. 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 For example, where is your rib? Where is your rib? Where is your rib? Rib. Rib. 13, rub. 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 For example, can you rub it out? Can you rub it out? Rub it out. Rub it out. Can you rub it out? Rub. Rub. Can you rub it out? 14, sob. 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 For example, what does sob mean? What does sob mean? Sob. Sob. What does sob mean? 15, tube. 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 For example, can you pass me the tube? Can you pass me the tube? Tube. Tube. Can you pass me the tube? It's not too bad. Tube. Tube. 16. Shrub. 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 For example, look at that big shrub. Look at that big shrub. 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 Look at that big shrub. 17. Scrub. 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 For example, you need to scrub the floor. It's dirty. You need to scrub the floor. It's dirty. You need to scrub the floor. It's dirty. Scrub. Scrub. 18. Swab. 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 For example, let's use a new swab. Let's use a new swab. 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 19. Cab. 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 For example, is there a cab free? Is there a cab free? Cab. Cab. Remember guys that practice makes perfect. Make sure to watch this video lesson a few times. Once is great. 2 or 3 times is even better. Make sure to shadow, say these words, these sentences out loud at the same time as me so that you are practicing your pronunciation, improving your pronunciation, reducing your accent so you can speak more clearly and confidently in English. Remember guys, if you like this video lesson and found it useful, make sure to let me know by smashing that like button. Like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on notifications so that you know you get that bell when I post my next video lesson here to help you improve your confidence speaking in English. If you'd like more pronunciation lessons, make sure to check out these 2 videos here. Thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next lesson. Bye for now.